Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. My name is Marilet Mariano Cairo, 30 years old. I was born on April 22, 1995. I live in Tumog Luna, Apayao, Philippines. I'm married. I have two children at the age of 11 years old and 9 years old. I'm high school graduate. My weight is 53 kilogram and my height is 154.5 centimeters. My hobbies is playing with the children, dancing and singing. I worked as domestic helper before in Malaysia for 2 years. I served 5 family members, 3 adults and 2 children. My main duties there is cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing and cleaning the house. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and to save money for the future of my kids. Before I end this introduction, I just want to share to you a short song. A title is Twinkle Twinkle Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Baba Black Sheep. Baba Black Sheep, have you any word? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master and one for my dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you, I hope you like my song. And to my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I'm loyal, honest, religious, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I hope I will be working you there in Hong Kong very soon. Thank you, Mom, Sir. Good day.